In this video, we will talk about how to fix USB device not recognized in Windows 11. Method 1. Basic steps. First, try plugging the USB device into a different port to see if that helps. If it still doesn't work, go ahead and restart your computer. Sometimes that clears things up. To rule out issues with your PC, test the USB device on another computer and check if it works. If you're using an external drive or phone, take a quick look at the cable to make sure it isn't damaged. And finally, it's worth cleaning out any dust or debris from the USB port, since that can interfere with the connection. If USB device works on another PC, the issue is likely with Windows drivers. Method 2. USB selective suspend settings. Click in Search. Type Control. Select Open. Click on System and Security. Then select Power Options. On the left panel, click on Change when the computer sleeps. Select Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand USB Settings. Then USB Selective Suspend Settings. Disable on Battery and Plugged-in Options. Then click on Apply and OK. And check if this helps to fix your issue. Method 3. Disable USB power saving. Right-click on Start. Select Device Manager. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Double-click USB Root Hub. Do the same with all USB Root Hub. Click on Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Then click on OK and restart your PC. Method 4. External multi-port adapter. It's possible that this could be a hardware issue. In that case, if you have even a single USB Type-C or regular USB port available, you can simply connect an external multi-port adapter. Check out the product link given in the description. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.